Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. We approaching the last month of summer, and of course all SPCE holders want to know what to expect from Virgin Galactic stock. This July was controversial enough. We had two impressive test flights from two different space companies, but we also witnessed market crash that was caused by various reasons. Inflation has been picking up in a big way and could tighten consumer wallets. There is also a growing likelihood that the Federal Reserve could take its foot off the proverbial gas pedal with regard to monetary policy and quantitative easing. And don't forget about the coronavirus Delta variant, which threatens to slow down reopening efforts in various parts of the US and around the world. Talking about SPCE in particular, I can say that companies' actions after test flight weren't wise enough because they announced capital raising right after a successful event. They didn't say anything certain about enhancing their operations. It's not enough to say we will build more jets and have more flights. Investors need dates, deadlines, expenses. We need more numbers that we are probably going to see and hear on 5th of August during earnings report. And also that secret announcement of Branson ended up to be some kind of lottery to win tickets to space. Boring. That's why we saw such a dramatic decline of SPCE stock. Market is crashing in general, and investors don't like this uncertainty around Virgin Galactic, which is of course temporary. Likely, Blue Origin's flight had no significant negative impact on Richard Branson's company. Actually quite the opposite, because that flight reminded investors one more time that new era of space tourism is approaching, and SPCE stock is the only one on the stock market that gives us the opportunity to invest in space. This whole summer is devoted to space. No one can deny this fact. June was filled with FAA approvals, rumors about two rivals, Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, and huge expectations in general. In August, we're about to see two more test flights of Richard Branson company and some definite projections in earnings report. Space tourism captivating, promising, and extremely profitable, a new era of humanity. How to become a part of this global project, how to buy a piece of this cash cow. There is only one stock on the stock market aimed to give you all blessings of space in the future, SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic company. Also, we can expect celebrities and famous people to buy their tickets to Virgin Galactic flight. As we remember, Ashton Kutcher was about to go, Leonardo DiCaprio is among future passengers of Virgin Galactic, and probably we will hear about the others in the nearest future. Why do they choose Virgin Galactic but not Blue Origin? It's all about hype and how your product is presented to people. Virgin Galactic's test flight was like a performance. It was surrounded by hype. It was highlighted in mass media, and we could saw positive emotions, rapture of passengers in space, and people talking about it all the time. And Blue Origin's flight was like, okay, not bad, good job guys. Hype is everything. Branson knows how to promote his company. Of course, it's not going to boost SPCE stock right now, only because we have some celebrities or some test flights, but it helps to make Virgin Galactic well known among humanity, and we SPCE holders will only benefit from this situation. I'm waiting for your SPCE predictions in comments. As usual, I'm waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.